What are the Wonder of the Seas neighborhoods? All of them are a bit different. There are 8. I'm going to discuss what each of them look like and what is offered in each neighborhood. For those of you new here, hi, welcome. I'm Bonnie and I deliver helpful cruise tips and inspiration for your future cruise travels. So let's get started. Even though this ship is huge, it's easy to navigate. It is the largest ship at sea to date, but the 8 neighborhoods, they're all different. They look different. There's different activities. Once you understand the layout, then you'll know where to go. Starting off at the Boardwalk located on deck 6. This is your typical boardwalk feel, like a beach boardwalk. You have a complimentary handcrafted carousel. There is lots of arcade, Sugar Beach for candy and ice cream. There's a Johnny Rockets, the doghouse with complimentary hot dogs, and this is also the arrival spot of the Ultimate Abyss from up above. A Playmakers sports bar. There is a pool table in the Playmakers and lots of TV screens. It's a very popular hangout for sports fans. And the carousel runs pretty much all day long. It also is the home for the Aqua Show, and that is at nighttime. And in the daytime, you'll find it used for movies and concerts. That is the Boardwalk. And the next neighborhood we're exploring is the Pool and Sports Zone on deck 15 and 16. Here you'll find a few pools, some slides, some hot tubs. The adult-only solarium is forward. The Perfect Storm water slides there's 3 of them in this location. We also have Splashaway Bay for kids. There's the View Bar. It's a new open space, and the Caribbean-inspired lime and coconut bar is nearby. Also part of the pool zone is the adult-only solarium that is forward. And the solarium has some pools and hot tubs there as well. It is completely covered with tempered glass. It does have its own bar and Solarium Bistro, which is a very large restaurant, and it's open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Dinner, you need to make reservations. At the sports zone, you'll find the Flow Rider that is very popular. The Ultimate Abyss is located there as well. And there's a beautiful view with big deck chairs for the sunset. There's zip lining. And it's also the home to the Windjammer, which is the buffet, and that is located in this section as well. Part of the sports zone is mini golf for all ages, located right near the zip line and the Ultimate Abyss. Place to go for kids and adults alike. The Wonder Play Escape for kids is also located here, and that is a lot of fun for younger children. The next neighborhood is the Youth Zone located on deck 14. This has programs for Adventure Babies 6 months to 2 years, Adventure Juniors from 3 to 5 years old, Adventure Kids from 6 to 12, and then a teen area for 13 to 17. So they do a very good job with their youth programs. They're called Adventure Ocean. The arcade. Next neighborhood is the Vitality Spa and Fitness Center. That is located on decks 5 and 6. The Vitality Cafe has all kinds of smoothies and snacks for your pre or post workout, and that is for a cost. And they are connected to the spa floor. The spa offers a thermal suite, a sauna, steam rooms, facial and body services, and there is a salon and barber shop as well. They also have their own spin class room. The gym is right outside the sauna area, and you'll find lots of equipment here. They do have their usual raffle at the beginning of the cruise, and you can try to win something. I happened to win a facial from that, and they have all kinds of equipment. There is a locker room that has showers, and there is a sauna within that area you can use for free, and it's a well-maintained, spacious space. Doing my free spa treatment, and because they're doing a drill, I ended up getting the thermal room as I wait. I didn't expect to come in here, so this is a nice surprise. It's a nice long jogging track. It's not a promenade deck. There's a lot of people walking. I guess what I'm not used to so much is the amount of people that participate. I'm used to a few. And the next neighborhood we're exploring is the suite neighborhood. So I'm standing in the suite only neighborhood. It's very exclusive. I've managed to get to the 17th floor, and we're gonna check it out, see what it's like. It's the artwork, and straight ahead is the Coastal Kitchen. It's a restaurant for suite guests and I think Pinnacle Club members. The suite only lounge, quite a place here. I happened to get up here just by accident. It is not open to the public, and it is for only suite guests. They have their own sun deck, their own plunge pool that I did not get to see. They have the restaurant, the Coastal Kitchen, and again, I couldn't get in there as well. But I do know that there's also a suite lounge, which may be part of this bar here. I'm not sure. And their ultimate family suite fits 10 people. So it's quite exclusive. But I was happy to get up here to check it out and show you what I could find. And this is a beautiful sun deck. The next neighborhood is the entertainment place. Here you'll see show and performances. There's Royal Theater, Studio B ice skating, the Attic for comedy and late night dancing, and the Diamond Lounge. Exciting costume, just terrific performance. Also located on deck 4 is Izumi's Japanese cuisine. Central Park neighborhood on deck 8 has lots of trees, shrubs, and plants. It's an outdoor seating, a park feel, and the specialty restaurants are located here. You have Giovanni's Italian Kitchen and Bar, 150 Central Park, of course the Rising Tide Bar that goes up and down through the promenade and Central Park and return. Chops Grill. We have red velvet cake with ice cream, freshly brewed coffee. She brought us some key lime pie just because, and then Keith has New York cheesecake. That's crazy. 150 Central Park. Park Cafe for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. And their famous roast beef sandwich. And the music hall is right outside of Central Park area. Here we have the Royal Promenade neighborhood, Deck 5. It's our downtown. There's main shopping, bars, entertainment, food, boleros, live music and dancing. A lot of Latin dancing here. We have the Royal Promenade for shopping. The Crown and Clipper bar is an English bar with lots of beer selection. We have Spotlight Karaoke. The karaoke place uses this spot for name that tune kind of things, or like a Michael Jackson tribute or that kind of thing. So it's an evening of not just singing, but it can do other things here as well. There is the Cafe Promenade and Sorrento's Pizza. Sorrento's Pizza is open late for late night snacks. Cafe Promenade has snacks, coffee, or tea. And then of course there's Starbucks, it's always there. Rising Tide Bar that goes up and down to Central Park and back. This is guest services, where you can get help with anything you need. Podiums are lower like desks instead of how they usually are. Almost like a bank. It's pretty wild looking. Specials all the time, watches and liquor and makeup and cosmetics and purses, jewelry of course. We have the Bionic Bar that's also located on this level. Most popular cocktails based on age. To unlock it, and then it just makes you a drink, and I guess it comes out down over here. It slides down in the different slots right here. Isn't that crazy? Be the Country Crew Trio playing here right out on the promenade area. This is a fun place to be. That's why it's one of my favorite top spots.
Vâng hết, và chuẩn.
We just finished our New Year's Eve celebration. Even though it was in April, it felt like New Year's. There was a lot of good energy, a lot of people having a good time. They gave us complimentary champagne, which was quite a nice thing to do. And everybody met in the Royal Promenade and just hung out and danced and had a good time. There was a live band. Super fun, one of my favorite spots, but also the end to my perfect day. If you haven't already done so, please remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, like button, so you don't miss anything. And thanks again for watching. Until next time.